Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're going to be opening up my Stitch Fix box for the month of June. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, whatever you want, and you can tell them in your profile the things that you want to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you'll try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee, which usually makes for a really good deal. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass. And so each year I pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to me throughout the year. Stitch Fix is now doing a fix preview, and in that preview there were 10 items, and I think I selected 2 of the 5 items that are in this box, and then my stylist went back and chose 3 more items to put into this box. For those of you who know me, I am a teacher, and so I'm officially on summer vacation, and so for this box I did request for shorts, dresses, and summer tank tops and things like that. So we're going to get into the box to see what I got for this month. Right on top, I see my prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want to keep from Stitch Fix, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll put those items in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. Shipping is free both ways, which is really nice and convenient. You're also going to have a white envelope, and inside that envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 46 for me. Also inside that envelope is your Oh Hello card, and this is a note from your stylist, but it also gives you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. So Kara has been my stylist, and so I'm going to read her note real quick. Hi Jennifer, I'm so happy your fix popped up. As always, I love reading your notes and feedback. Oh, you don't ever have to apologize, as I can completely understand the craziness of the end of the school year. It was a bittersweet first school year for my little one. Are you and your kiddos ready for summertime fun? Anything exciting planned? We live in Pittsburgh, so we went to Kennywood, our amusement park, but not much planned this year. Maybe last minute adventures. Okay, I have to get to the beautiful summer styles you chose, which will be perfect to get you ready for the hot weather. I added in a couple of shorts, but I know the cut from the Kloth trouser shorts are a bit shorter. However, I thought you'd enjoy the tie waist detailing in a neutral hue. You'll love this with the bright yellow halter top and a mixed material. Have fun, XX Kara. And so here are those styling cards. And I love how they give you 2 ways to style each item. And here is my bundle, and I selected this top and this dress. So let's get into it. So the first item on top is by 41 Hawthorn, the Lexie Pleat front blouse in light green. And I did choose this item from my preview. And so it's this light green top with dark, I guess it's black. It almost looks like dark green though, but maybe it's black. Get up close so you can see the print. It's a larger floral print. It does have the pleating detail on the front. It has the little keyhole in the back, and I thought it was just something different. I don't have anything that looks like this, so I like that. Next is an item that she chose for me. This is by 41 Hawthorn, the Meroni mixed material top in yellow. And so it is this top right here. I love the bright yellow color. It's got like a royal blue and white in there as well. I'm gonna get up close so you can see that print. Just very bright and summery. It has the little straps, and it comes around the front, has a little keyhole in the front. The back is a solid yellow because it is mixed material. So I think that's really cute. The next item is an item that I chose for my fix preview as well. It is by French Gray, the Daphne brush knit dress in blue. And this is like a really bright electric blue. It is a brush knit dress. I guess you would say this is like an abstract polka dot. The color is blue, but it's almost like a purple blue. Has the cute little buttons in the front. The buttons look like they're faux buttons. It does have like the elastic in the middle, and hopefully this will hit right about at my knee. So that's really cute. I love cute summer dresses. And then here are the shorts that she picked out for me, and they are shorter. Now normally I like to wear a 7-inch inseam because I'm 5'10", and so shorts sometimes look really short on me. And I think these are gonna be a 4-inch inseam, so I'm not sure how these are gonna work out, but these are by cut from the Kloth, the Jane high-rise high-waist trouser short in tan. So here's what those look like. They do have that little tie. Now, it's okay. I can take it or leave it. I'm not sure how I feel about the tie. And I can tell that it is a much shorter inseam than I'm used to. They're very soft. They do have working pockets in the back and in the front. So we'll just have to see how those look on me. They may not be the most flattering. And then last item is another pair of shorts, and these are by Democracy, the Kayla high-rise short in indigo. And these are kind of like a medium to lighter wash, which is good because I don't have a lot in this color. I love the Democracy brand of shorts and pants because they have like that stretchy little waistband inside, working pockets front, working pockets in the back. It does have a cuff, and the cuff does come undone, so you could roll it down if you really wanted to. Has a little bit of light fading in the thigh area. So those are cute. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get ready to do a try on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items. And on top, I have by 41 Hawthorn, the Lexie Pleat front blouse in light green. And on bottom, I have those shorts by Cut from the Kloth. They are the Jane high-rise high-waist trouser short in tan. So let's start with the top. I love this light green color. It's not something that I have a lot of. I still can't tell if the flowers are actually black or like a really dark green. I like the pleating detail, the rounded neck. I like the length. It is a little bit sheer, so I do have a cami on underneath, which I always wear one underneath my tops anyways. But I paired it with the tan shorts because I thought the colors might go well together. So let's talk about these shorts. These are the shorts by Cut from the Kloth. They are a 4-inch inseam, which I'm used to wearing a 7 or longer inch inseam. So these are definitely different for me. They do have the pockets on the side. They do have the little tie waist detail, which knowing myself, I don't normally tuck in my shirts. I usually leave them out. So if you were going to do a tuck in, you could do something like that. But I'm not great at tying these little ties either. So let's take off the tie and see what I think. I do like that it's high-waisted. And so there it is without the tie, which makes it look a little bit more flat on the front with the top because, like I said, I don't normally tuck my tops in. It does have a double button. It is high-waisted. It's very stretchy and comfortable and soft. It does have the double pockets in the back. So what do you guys think about this length of shorts? Is it too short for me? I do like the color and I do like how soft they are. I'll have to think about these. You guys let me know what you think, and I'm gonna try on the next outfit. Be right back. All right, the third item is by French Gray, the Daphne brush knit dress in blue. So it's this really soft brush knit fabric. It has the cute little button details going down the middle. It does have the elastic waist. I can get up close so you can see the print. It's like a little abstract polka dot. It does have a V. And the dress comes a little bit above my knee, maybe a couple inches above my knee, which is good for summertime. So what do you guys think about this dress? I really love the color. I love how soft it is. I like the buttons, and I always like when it kind of has a little bit of elastic at the waist. It's very soft, no pockets, but a really cute dress for summer. All right, I'm gonna put on the jean shorts and the yellow top, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the last two items, and on top I have by 41 Hawthorn, the Meroni mixed media top in yellow, and then on the bottom I have the Democracy Kayla high-rise short in indigo. So let's start with the top. I really like the little strappy detail here at the top. I like how it kind of gathers in, and then it has like the keyhole right here. I think the floral print is very pretty. It's a little bit sheer, so you can kind of see through it. So you may want to wear like a nude bra or something underneath of it. I love the floral print with the white and the blue. It's polyester in the front, and then it's probably like a rayon spandex mix in the back. In the back, it comes up like this. So I think it's cute. Like I said, I might just pick something different to put underneath of it since it's a little bit sheer. The shorts, I love that they are high-rise. They come up above my belly button. I like the length of them. They're a little bit longer, of course, than the other pair of shorts. I like the light wash color of them, and I thought it paired nicely with this top since it had the blue in it. So the cuffs can be undone if you want to make it longer, but I like it cuffed like it is. So you guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna get changed and I'll be back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and talk about some prices, and overall I think this was a really good fix. I do have some items that I would like to get some input on, so let's start with the first item on the list. Is by French Gray. It is the Daphne brush knit dress in blue. I really love the color of this. It's like a really vibrant, like almost like a purple blue. I really like the color. I like the brush knit fabric, I like the little button details, and I thought the length of the dress was good for me. So I think this is going to be a really cute summer dress, and the cost of this dress is $58. Next item is by 41 Hawthorn, the Lexie Pleat front blouse in light green, and that was this top right here. And still can't tell if that's black or dark green. I don't know. But anyways, I thought it looked really cute with those tan shorts. It's just a basic little blouse that you could wear with jean shorts or tan shorts like that. And the cost of this is $40. Next is the first pair of shorts, the Democracy Kayla high-rise short in indigo, and these are $64. I love the Democracy brand of shorts and pants just because they have a little extra stretch and they're comfortable in the waistband, which is nice. They were a good length for me. I think these are about a 7-inch inseam. And so what do you guys think about those? And then the next item is by 41 Hawthorn, the Meroni mixed media top in yellow, and this is $58. Now that's a little pricey for what it is. I do like the little strappy details and things like that. The color is really pretty for summer, but like I said, a little pricey for what it is, but it is very pretty. And last on the list is by Cut From The Cloth, a Jane high-rise tie waist trouser short in tan, and they are $79. These are very soft shorts. You can remove the tie waist detail if you don't like it, which is probably what I would do most of the time. But my question is, were these shorts too short for me? These are kind of like the deciding factor as to whether this will be a 5 for $5 or not. My husband and my daughter thought they looked fine. So you tell me what you think. And so my stylist pick subtotal was $299. If you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which would take off $74.75. My order subtotal would be $224.25. I did have somebody use my $50 referral link, and so I do have $50 in credit from that sign up, and so shipping is free. So my order total would be $174.25. So you guys tell me what you think. Would you keep all 5 items, or would you send 2 of these items back? All right, guys, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description box below. I think that $50 referral link is still active. It's been going for a while, and so if it is, I'll put it in the description box below. And if it's not, I'll put the $25 link in the description box below. But basically, that $50 referral link will waive your styling fee, and then it gives you $50 to spend on anything that you get in your box. If you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. And until next time, bye, guys.